So.
Pick it, it's just to fix it. I take the whip from that delivery. Just need some wrenches, a couple minutes, check the engine. What's the symptoms? Is it firing? Check the pistons. How's the tranny? How's it shifting? Is it slipping? Ain't no quitting. I'm on a mission, feeling driven. Ain't no stopping till the tire's spinning. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage. Resuscitate the rod, it's the nursing garage.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, actually a different video, guys. We're gonna be doing our breakdown on our Junkyard engine. And guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I've been started on this already for about a week, and it's just been in and out about 2 hours every day just because of work and stuff. I just come over and do it when I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a solid recap of all the footage that I have of it taking up until this point. And then about 5-6 minutes, I'll see you guys in there, and then we'll be caught up with me. So, all right, guys, I'll see you when you're at where I'm at. The valves are open on this one. They don't look bent though, but they are indeed open. So I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna pull this off, the valve cover. Check the cams real quick. RB cams. So this looks okay. Yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm looking at here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So, on that note, let's just pull the head. Okay, how do I pull this timing tensioner? Let's pop this cover off real quick. Does this cover come off? Let's pop the cover off. Well, just trying to get this here off, and all right, I'll fix this. Gotta get 10-foot cheater bar. You ain't that tough, baby. You mean, boy? This motor's been apart. Just so we're all clear, I know nothing. And I'm pretty excited. I think the dude told me to take this back one off first. Or this one. Nope. This one. Nope. Yeah, what was this one? thank God. I broke the bolt off in there, but I can get out with my finger. Oh no. Oh, thank God. I got it. Okay. What I'm saying? What I'm saying? You dang right. So this is the left cam. Cams are off. Okay. Oh, we're making progress, boys. Well, guys, I got these off. I had to use my phone to Google it, and they said to zip tie these so these pins don't fall out because this is true VTech. I broke loose all the head bolts. Okay. Let's see what we got here. But I mean, this is just surface rust, a little hone out, you know. But let's check the bottom of this head. Good morning. This is what I'm really worried about. Yes, ma'am. I'll be right there. Thank you. Well, guys, the head seems to be in pretty freaking good condition. A little bit of surface rust. Might need a valve job. I mean, no broken off valves, no nothing. It's pretty good. Sick. Pretty stoked about this, guys, honestly, because it was a really good buy then. I mean, I don't care to do valves and get it decked. I mean, that's nothing. I mean, especially for what I got into the motor. The cylinders, for the most part, like, yeah, I mean, surface rust, honed. Yeah, let me flip it over, guys, and we'll start tearing apart the bottom end and see how bad it is. Now that you guys are caught up to where I am, this is the situation with the engine right now. So we have her pretty much all the way torn apart now. The block's looking not too bad, guys. I mean, it's gonna need honed out. I don't know how scored the cylinders are. Not really too worried about all that, guys, because if we need to, we can get a short block. I mean, the main focus is that the head is in decent shape. So we're gonna go ahead and start the assembly of the pistons and make sure none of them are cracked, but everything's looking pretty good up until this point, guys, so let's keep it going. Still pretty freaking, I mean, obviously I didn't expect it to move, but I mean, at least I can get to the bearings. Pull these puppies out, guys, and pull the crank and see if we can't bang out them pistons. Super excited right now, guys. So I just got this from Caleb. Shout out to my boy, man, saved me on this. So we're gonna get this crank out, get it separated, get this in the block ready and the pistons out, and just in case, you know, we might ship her off somewhere that you guys don't know about yet to get maybe not mildly, maybe built, you know what I'm saying? So all right, let me crank this out real quick. Well, guys, it's safe to say that due to a head gasket being blown, caused the engine to seize, and unfortunately, so it caused this engine to get hot and seize up. You know, I wish I could have broken it loose after looking at it and just doing a head on it instead of everything we're about to do now. But you know what, guys, it's good. It's a very good lesson to learn. I tried breaking it free, guys, honestly, but you know, it's okay. Kind of bummed, not gonna lie, that it could have been simpler, but sorry, guys. Sorry, we're in the business now. How would I need from everybody that builds Honda engines, budget build, you know, maybe 5, 7, 8,000 horsepower engine? If you guys wouldn't mind dropping off your build list in the comment section, guys, and we can get this engine done for the truck. I think this is gonna be our new engine. Block's good, head's good, valves are good, everything. So if you guys like the content, you guys like the channel, and you want to continue to grow with it, please consider liking, subscribing, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video.